Get ready to step into a world of endless possibilities as we proudly announce the grand opening of our brand new showroom in Jagatpuri, Delhi. Snv Decor is a leading manufacturer and importer of wallpapers. We are thrilled to unveil a space brimming with inspiration and unmatched selection. Our team of passionate wallpaper aficionados is here to guide you every step of the way. We'll help you find the perfect match for your space, considering your style, budget, and functional needs. As we are a leading importer, we have largest collection of wallpapers as per your need for your home and your office. We have strong distributorship and dealership network in India. You can also start your wallpaper business with a minimum budget. We launched so many catalog range of simple to premium wallpapers.